leaders in the manufacture of sheet metal machinery. Show's really good. It's been really busy. We've had a lot of good inquiries from the right people, so yeah, very happy.
It's our first show. We are a complete fabrication solution provider. We've had some really good contacts from the show, some really good prospects for the future.
The show has been a great success for Hallmark Electronics. We've had a great response.
We are specialized in PCB assembly for small quantity with short lead time. The show is great, quality leads, many electronic engineers.
We are specialists in circuit analysis, circuit design and embedded firmware design. First time up at this show, and it's been a good chance to meet different suppliers.
Really relevant inquiries, a lot of enclosure design inquiries, which is a specialism of what we do, so it's been really good.
The show's been very good for us. Based on the performance of this year, we'll be coming back next year.
Good attendance, very pleased and likely to be back in 2020.
We're seriously considering to do this again next year.
Definitely come back to do the show again. Really worthwhile for us.
We will be there next year, of course.
Great response. We will definitely do a next show in the future.
We're going to the Southern Manufacturing Show in the new year. Looking forward to that as well.